Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel VBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to work on SQL. It's quite long time since I have not uploaded any video on SQL. So I thought I should make the video on it so that you will understand the complex query and your little bit concept also will be clear from such a question. So in today's video I have taken the three question of SQL. In the question number one, we need to achieve the running count if. In the question number two, we need to achieve the running sum if. Okay, if you will look at in the deep, only there is a difference only of the formula. So I have taken the both the things only for your understanding. Okay, we just need to replace the formula. Okay, but yes, you will have to understand one of them in the deep. Okay, so that you can perform, you can apply the max if and running max and as per your requirement, you can do it. All right. But in the question number three, this is something which is completely different from the top two questions. Okay, I will come on this question later on. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's start to understand what are the main aspects you must be aware. Okay, you need to be aware of. Okay, before writing the query and before going to achieve the running count if. Okay, in the SSMS editor. All right. So there are some aspects which I have already written here. You guys can see in the window function. We what are the window function? Okay, we need to use the window function in order to achieve the running counting. All right. So window function are those functions which allow us to do the calculation on the data or to do this or to do the summarization of the raw data. All right. And over clause, so over clause, I'm not going in the deep. Okay, so yes, little bit understanding you must have. Okay, and definitely I will make the video on the window function as well. Okay, so that you will have much understanding on it. All right. So over clause, so let's come back to our aspects. Okay, so we done what is the window function I told you. Over clause, what does it mean? It indicates that you are applying the window function. For example, that you have received for example that you have received the query from somewhere and there's an over clause is coming. It means okay, in that line, okay, you have and you are using the window function. Okay, you are using the window function over. It indicates that you are applying the window function. Okay, that is a simple definition of the over. And partition by it refers that you are working on the different value or putting the formula or calculation on the different categories. For example, okay, this is something bit different. Okay, so this is something bit tough, I would say. The partition by, what do you understand by the partition by? For example, you have a column. Okay, you have a column of product. Okay, in that product column you have only the 7 to 9 unique products, right? But 9 products are repeating okay multiple times okay in the same column. Okay, in that case you want to do the running, you want to get the count in the running mode. For example, column A is coming, then again column. Okay, let me show you what exactly I'm going to tell you. So for example, here I have a product A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so I just want to do the running count. So here how you will be doing and what I want the output in the SQL, I am not going to do okay in the Excel. So A is coming, A again I'm writing here A is coming, okay, B is coming, this is also coming first time, again A is coming, so it means it is coming second time. So here what is happening, I'm getting the count of A okay in the running mode okay in the first count in the first occurrence of the A. Okay, the count was 1, but again the A is occurred, so in that case what account I have got, okay, I have got the 2, but again for example A is coming, so it would be 3. Okay, in such a way, okay, this is something which is called okay the running counting or okay, or it is up to you what formula you are using. Okay, that also can be the running sum if as well. All right, so let's start to do. Okay, and partition by, I hope you guys understood. Okay, still two aspects are remain. I just okay, it will not take that much time. Okay, so what is order by? Order by, it is the optional alias for the window function to sort the each partition. Okay, order by basically we do use in SQL. Okay, in order to sort the data. All right. What does the mean of as? As we would use it to giving the name of our particular columns on which you have applied the calculation. I hope you guys have understood. Let's go to the SQL. Okay, so that okay you will understand the okay, in the better way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to achieve the running counting. All right, so I have already opened my SQL. Okay, I am going to click the new query. Okay, I'm going to pick the one data, for example. Okay, so here I have, let me also increase the font. I am taking 150, for example. Okay, okay, here I'm going to use the database of Python database. Okay, in the Python database I have one table, sheet 3. Okay, sheet 3 I have. So let me show you the data. If I will order by amount D, this is the data. Okay, do not worry about why I have used. I use it, okay, for my understanding, or let me remove, for example, so that you will not get confused. Okay, this is the data I have. So he in the agent, okay, agent, in the agent I have a different agent: Abhishek, Ashok, Praveen, Varun, and so on. All right, so I want to do the running counting on the agent. How many times, okay, that Abhishek is repeating one time, then it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, but on the different agent. But for example, Abhishek is repeating 7 times, so 7 times would should come like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, against the Abhishek name. But as soon as Ashok Kumar, I mean Ashok Kumar name is started, so in that case again it should start from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so on. All right, so this is what which I want to achieve. So let's start to do. Okay, so here what we need to do, I need to use the window function first of all. Okay, so here I am using select. Okay, select row number. Okay, here I am using row number. Okay, order by, sorry, over. Okay, I'm going to, I'm going to put I'm going to give the criteria or range, I would say, in the Excel language. Partition by, I want to do the partition. Okay, partition by agent. Okay, I want to do the partition by agent on the agent. Okay, on the basis of agent or against the agent, I want to get the running count, right? Okay, how many times the each agent is repeating, right? So okay, partition by agent, and order by I can use, or it is up to me, it is completely optional. Okay, but still I'm using order by amount, DESC. Okay, and as, okay, as is this. Okay, the last one. Okay, window we have used, window function is your row number. Okay, and over I told you what does it mean. And partition by, it means on which column you want to do the separation. All right, and order by, I have already told you, it is completely optional to sort the data, that I have told you, and I have used here only for your understanding. Okay, as, why do we use as we use to give the name of this column. Okay, when this query will execute it successfully, so in that case what should happen, the column should come of the calculation, I mean, which we want to keep, right? So here I am keeping the name of running counting. Okay, running counting. Okay. And let me break it, and that's data I want. Star I'm using from sheet number 3. Okay, sheet number 3, simple. Nothing you need to do more than this. You just need to, here I'm writing, it is my running count. If I will provide you this, you know, this query in the description box, from there you guys can take it. All right, and you can do the practice. if i will if I will run this by pressing F5, you guys can see, okay, here I'm getting Abhishek is coming one time, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. Let me copy this data, okay, and paste it in the Excel. Okay, in the Excel you guys will understand, okay, in a better way. So I'm pasting it here. Okay, now you guys can see, if I am filtering, for example, Abhishek. So Abhishek 1, 2, 3, 4, 140, 70. I mean the Abhishek count. Abhishek is repeated. Okay, 140, 70 times. Okay, but yes, again I mean filtering the Arun Kumar. Arun Kumar is repeating till 36 times. Okay, for example, if I will go a bit down, you guys can see Abhishek name is coming still. You guys can see. Abhishek is ended here. Okay, and again the Arun Kumar is started. So okay, as soon as the Arun Kumar name has started to occur, okay, it starts to give us the count from the one. You guys can see this is something which is called the running. Okay, and this is how you guys can achieve by writing only these two lines of query. Okay. Okay, now what I want to do the running sum if, okay, on the same table. Okay, I'm just copying, okay, and pasting it here, pasting it here. Okay, I'm using sum. Okay, sum. So here what you need to do, you need to just use sum of amount. Okay, good. Nothing you need to do more than this. Okay, and change the name, running sum. Okay, and running this. Okay, I'm copying it and pasting it here. Okay, and taking this column. Okay, okay. Now if you guys, if I will filter Abhishek. Okay, if I have filtered the Abhishek, so here you guys can see 65 and 50,000. Okay, it is something 1150,000. I mean 11,50,000, right? You guys can see, okay, this plus this is coming here, this plus this is coming here, and this plus this, okay, from row number 2 to, from row number 2 to row number 5, okay, whatever the sum is coming, this is coming here. So this is something which is called the running sum. We are getting the sum in the running mode. Okay, okay, or partition by agent. Okay, so at the moment you guys, you at the moment the name will get changed. Okay, the amount also will get it, amount also will get changed. Okay, when the Arun Kumar has occurred, so here you guys can see it is coming. Okay, it is coming 20. Okay, it's coming 27, 20,736. This is coming here, right? So in such a way you guys can achieve the running count if and running sum. All right, guys. So we have covered. So question number 2 is not that much important, but yes, the question number 1 or question number 2, whatever you will understand from out of this question, okay, it will help you a lot to get the things, okay, in the running mode, or to do the calculation on the running mode. For example, you want to do the running max if, running, okay, running minimum if, right? Whatever you want to do, you need to understand what are the aspects which from which you must be aware of. All right. Okay, so we have done question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, this is the query. This is the simple query, and this query I will provide you in the description box. From there you guys can download this. All right, and this Excel as well. Okay, question number 3. What is question number 3? In the question number 3, I have given the example. The example is simple. For example, you have a table in your database by the name of table 1. Okay, I am replacing the table 1. Instead of table 1, I right now, as of now, I have sheet number 3. Okay, you have a table in your database by the name of table 1 in the SQL Server. Now the question is, you will have to create the same table, okay, the same database using the select command. For example, okay, I have a table. Okay, here create the table, okay, using select command. Okay, this is what we need to do. So here I have a table, okay, by the name of sheet 3. Okay, this is the table I have. I want to create the same data but without data. Okay, header should come, okay, everything should come, but the data and table should be null. Table should be completely empty. Okay, that is what we need to perform. Okay, so here what we need to do, this is something bit logical or complex, I would say. Okay, but not the messy query we need to write. Okay, we just need to write only one single line of a query and we will get our output, but we are wanting. Okay, so here I'm using select star, entire thing I want to do is select star, okay, into whatever table name you want to keep. In whatever table name you want to create, whatever the table name you want to create, I'm creating the table, for example, dummy table. Okay, that is the dummy table I have created. Select star into the dummy table from which table? from sheet number 3. Okay, now we can perform and we can create the table, using this command. But here the condition is also the table should be completely empty, only header should be there, because I want to enter the fresh data, okay, from the different source. That source can be anything. Okay, so here we need to write the where clause. Okay, here I am writing where null equal to null, simple, nothing more than this. Okay, okay, I am performing and I am going to execute it by pressing F5. I pressed F5. So this is showing that there is already an object. Okay, I need to change the table name I'm keeping, for example, okay, Aakash table. Okay, Aakash table, for example, I'm creating Aakash table. F5 I'm pressing. I press F5. Okay, 0 rows affected. Now, okay, the one more table should be in the same database, in the Python database. Okay, if I would select star from Aakash table, okay, it should give me the empty table. I'm pressing F5. You guys can see the similar table we have created, but without using create. Okay, create, we have not written, we have not defined any columns, any data type. We have just copied the entire table and pasting the table in the same database, but we are removing, okay, the data from that particular table, okay, by using the where command. Okay, this is something which is, you know I would say, very tricky. Okay, the people are really not aware from such a query, and it will definitely help you a lot. Okay, in order to make the people shocked. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I definitely will attach. I hope you have guys understand, and this will definitely will help you a lot to do the things. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, for watching this video, and okay, we in the next video I'll definitely make the video on the window function. It will help you a lot. Okay. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.